All right, where are we at today, dude?
We're at the Animal Kingdom.
Woo! There's the big, huge tree of life behind us.
It's beautiful.
We're taking a hard left first thing this morning. Where are we going, dude?
Pandora.
Yeah, we're going to Pandora right away. Check out this Avatar ride. Oh, here's some more. Here's some more. Look at him. Oh, dude. Must be spring.
It's like a civil war going on here.
There's some banded leporinas. We used to have a bunch of these in the 220, didn't we, buddy?
Yeah, they're so cute.
There's a lot of them in here. Look at all these guys. Here we are in Africa at the Animal Kingdom, right? Huge African cichlid tank. How many gallons do you think that is?
A few thousand.
A couple thousand? Wow, look at that.
Let's get a picture out there.
So many. There are millions of cichlids in there. Look at all these African cichlids. Wow. All right, so here we are at Animal Planet. It's been totally awesome. The only bonus to the whole reservation COVID thing is that there's really not a lot of people here.
No, there's not. Really.
So there's
Beautiful.
very little waiting. We did every single thing in the entire park, and it's only 5 o'clock.
Oh, we're going to get Pandora here.
So we're gonna go back to Pandora,
yeah, the Avatar ride.
and do the flight simulator again, because it was the most amazing ride we've just about ever done.
Yeah.
I mean, as far as the simulation ride goes, best I've ever done in my life.
It was amazing. Yeah.
So we're going back over there, gonna do that one more time before we leave. And it's been a great day. I mean, totally beautiful. It was like 80 degrees, perfect sunny. And what we do, like 15,000 steps we tracked?
Yeah.
That's insane. There's some unobtainium. There's the Avatar right behind us, guys.
Wow.
Huge. All right, dude. So Jack and Pamela had a little competition going. How many steps did you have today?
21,056.
21,056. How many did you have, Pamela? According to your Fitbit, not as many as Jack, huh?
16,475.
You're gonna try to pass Jack? You got like 5,000 more to go.
Yeah, you got
She's trying to cheat over here.
How many did you do?
I did 18,000.
Wow.
No way.
So you still way beat me, dude. I don't know what's up. Pamela's still trying. Good luck. No way you're gonna beat Jack today. Uber's gonna be here in 1 minute, Pamela.
Good, I'm gonna keep going.
I don't think you're gonna make it in one more
At
minute.
least 2,000 calories.
If she's gonna make it, she's got 1 more
I'm
minute.
gonna have dessert
No, she
tonight.
still got like 3,000 more.
Jack's sitting on the bench like whatever. No one's ever gonna reach me.
I'm gonna have some dessert tonight.
Dude, I gotta give it to you, dude. 21,000 steps. That's good. That's good on vacation. What was it, like 6 miles, 7 miles?
Probably, yeah.
Amazing.